everyone. Today the 5th standard students of St. Teresa CGHSS school are presenting the Monoact. The topic is the rain, and today is the 14th day of our everyday program. I invite you all to watch this video. I am sure that you will all like my friends' Monoact. So let's see how they have done that.
Hi everyone, I am Hannah Kane studying in 5C at Teresa CGHSS Ernakulam. Today I am going to present a monoact from our English chapter, The Little Girl and the Umbrella. On a rainy day, Lily was going to school without an umbrella. She felt the rain lashing her face. She was holding her slate and books against her chest. Lily was clad in quite old and torn clothes. The other girl, Gracie, was having an umbrella. Gracie's neat clothes were made of fine silk. Gracie, can I? Lily, move away. My clothes will become dirty. Gracie, please. Go away, girl. I won't let you in under my umbrella.
Hello everyone, I am Niranjana from 5B. Today I am here with a mono act from our chapter, The Little Girl and the Umbrella. It is raining heavily. How can I go to school? Gracie, can I do? Go away, girl. I won't let you in under my umbrella. Gracie, please. Oh, disturbance. Go. It is the second bell.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, I am Tanjay Bala of 5th D, St. Teresa's CGHSS Ernakulam. Today I am going to act a small part from the story The Little Girl and the Umbrella. Lily also ran holding her slate and books against her chest. She felt the rain lashing her face. She placed the slate over her books. Even if the raindrops fell on the slate, it would not get spoiled. Gracie, can I too? Lily begged and tried to get under Gracie's umbrella, but Gracie moved away from Lily. Gracie's clothes were made of fine silk, but Lily was clad in quite old and torn clothes. Gracie, please, Lily begged again. Go away, girl. I won't let you in under my umbrella, Gracie said stubbornly. Lily could not control her tears. She wept bitterly. The rain was also quite cruel to her. It came down heavily on her. Lily ran on and on, thoroughly wet. Muddy water ran against her little feet. Lily was so sad. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am India PX. Today I am here for presenting a monoact, The Rain. Oh my god, the rain is started. Where is Gracie? Oh, there she is. Gracie, can I get in your umbrella? No, you can't get in my umbrella. Please, Gracie, please, can I get in your umbrella? No, you can't, because my dress is made with silks, but yours old and torn. I am going to school.
Hello everyone, I am Niranjana from Teresa CGHSS school in Ernakulam studying in 5th E. Today, I would like to share a monoact from the chapter The Little Girl and the Umbrella. Let's go to the video.
Gracie, can I too? Go away, girl. My clothes was made of fine silk. Your was old and torn clothes. I don't let you in under my umbrella. Gracie, please. Go away, girl. I won't let you in under my umbrella.
Where is Gracie? Baby, tell me to go with Gracie. Oh, there she is. Gracie, please stop, please. What? Gracie, I don't have any umbrella. Can you let me in under your umbrella, please? No, I won't let you in under my umbrella. But Gracie, the rain is going to be so heavy. Please, Gracie, please. No, you are looking so bad. Look at my dress. It is looking shiny, and look at yours. It is looking old and torn. You will dirty my dress too. I'm going to school. You can come to school anyway. Hello everyone, respected teachers and my dear friends. Myself, Vanilla PT, 5th standard from St. Teresa's CGHSS Ernakulam. Today, I show my Monoact chapter, The Little Girl and the Umbrella. Let's go to the video. Gracie, can I do? Go ahead. My clothes was made on fine was all and tall clothes out down like that under my umbrella. Gracie, please go away. I want like my umbrella. Thank you.
Hi friends, I'm gonna keep you from 5E at Teresa's CGHSS School Ernakulam. Today I'm going to show you a Monoact.
Rain is so heavy. Rain is lashing to my face. Oh, Lily have an umbrella. Lily. Can I too? Move away, girl. My neat cloth will be get dirty. Gracie, please. I won't let you in under my umbrella.
Hi, good evening. It's me, Andrea, studying in 5th C at St. Teresa's School at Ernakulam. Do you know what's the activity today? Yes, you are right. The Monoact from the chapter The Little Girl and the Umbrella, the part The Rain. In this chapter, we can see a poor child called Lily and her brother called Baby, and Lily's friend from the Pumangal family called Gracie. One day they were going to school. Then what happened? Let's go to the video and enjoy.
Oh no, the rain is coming. What should I do? I don't have an umbrella. Where is Gracie? Gracie? Then where is my brother, Baby? Brother? Oh, I forgot. You ran away. Gracie? Oh, here it is. Gracie, please stop. Oh, it's you. Hi, Lily. What do you want?
Gracie, can I come with you? The rain was so heavy.
No, Lily, you can't because this is my new dress. This is made of fine silk. But your dress is made of old and torn clothes. If you come with me, my dress will be dirty. Go away. I won't let you in under my umbrella. Gracie, please. I don't have an umbrella. That is why I'm talking to you. Please, I beg to you. Can I come with you? No, Lily, you can't. You can come with someone